You guys all. What's that one song called? Elastic Heart. Hey Millie, can you bring Mama a water? She said nope.
Stuff goes well.
She's a booger.
Get your hand raised like a winner with Bet365. New customers bet $10, get $150 in bonus bets.
Shut up, Chewbacca. I need us to be a little bit louder, I think. Hold on. Let me rezone myself. Another one bites the dust. Oh, why can I not conquer love? And I might have thought that we were one. Wanted to fight this war without weapons. And I wanted it bad. But there were so many red flags. Now another one bites the dust. Yeah, let's be clear, I'll trust no one. You did not break me. I'm still fighting for peace. But I've got thick skin and an elastic eye. For your blade of my beat so sharp, I'm like a rubber band. I'll tie up all to one. Yeah, I'm stepping down the fast, you won't see me fall apart. 'Cause I've got an elastic heart. I remember I won second place for this. Got an elastic heart. The only reason I didn't win first is because it was based off donations, and the one lady knew that the amp was gonna do it. It was bullshit. And I will stay up through the night. Yeah, let's be clear, won't close my eyes. And I know that I can survive. I walked through fire to save my life. And I want my life so bad. I'm doing everything I can. And another one bites the dust. It's hard to lose a chosen one. You did not break me. Elastic heart. Thank you everybody for following. You guys are amazing. I appreciate everybody so much.
I'm Chief Tanidar. I
Thank you,
approve this
guys.
message. Donovan McKinney thinks he's fooling us.
guys
It's
are
about right
amazing.
here. Dirty Money McKinney pocketing campaign cash from big banks, big oil, big pharma, big tech.
Trying to find a different song to sing. Darn it, and it started me all the way back up. I hate when it does that. Man, I have to scroll all the way back down. We'll just do this. This is a song I wrote.
Into your biggest fan.
What's better?
Food. That's how I make friends too.
For the key to our survival, you must quest to the Sea of Monsters.
Okay, we're switching over to rap now.